English Hebrew future verbs. I will go.
אלך.
Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey you. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo, your friendly shortcut to Hebrew. For more tips and freebies, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. Strap in, smile, and sip that coffee. Today you'll nail the Hebrew future of to go and the power phrase, it will work. Let's make your Hebrew feet move forward. Your goal today. By the end, you'll say 8 future forms with confidence and crack a joke while doing it. Target 1. I will go.
אלך.
Target 2. U-M-S-G, will go.
אתה תלך.
Target 3. He will go.
הוא ילך.
Target 4. She will go.
היא תלך.
Target 5. It will work.
זה ילך.
Target 6. We will go.
אנחנו נלך.
Target 7. You, plural, will go.
אתם תלכו.
Target 8. They will go.
הם ילכו.
Forms at a glance. Repeat after me, confident, clear, and just a little dramatic. You've got this. I will go.
אלך.
U-M-S-G, will go.
אתה תלך.
He will go.
הוא ילך.
She will go.
היא תלך.
It will work.
זה ילך.
We will go.
אנחנו נלך.
You, plural, will go.
אתם תלכו.
They will go.
הם ילכו.
Mini dialogue. Eavesdrop on this plan in the making. Then echo the Hebrew out loud. A. If the sun comes out, we will go.
אנחנו נלך.
To the beach. B. Deal. I will go.
אלך.
For snacks. A. And you, M-S-G, will go.
אתה תלך.
Save us a spot. B. Don't worry, it will work.
זה ילך.
Even if the line is long. A. He will go.
הוא ילך.
Early, she will go.
היא תלך.
With him. B. Then you all, plural, will go.
אתם תלכו.
And they will go.
הם ילכו.
After us. Pronunciation beat. Clap the rhythm. Ta-ta. You say the Hebrew on the ta. Big voice, bold vibe. Clap, ta.
אלך.
Clap, ta.
אתה תלך.
Clap, ta.
הוא ילך.
Clap, ta.
היא תלך.
Clap, ta.
אנחנו נלך.
Clap, ta.
אתם תלכו.
Clap, ta.
הם ילכו.
Victory clap, ta.
זה ילך.
Quick quiz. Say the Hebrew out loud, then I'll reveal the answer. No pressure, just play. Q1. Say, she will go. A.
היא תלך.
Q2. Say, we will go. A.
אנחנו נלך.
Q3. Say, you, plural, will go. A.
אתם תלכו.
Q4. Reassure a friend, it will work. A.
זה ילך.
Culture tip. Sound like a local with a smile and a shrug. Israelis often reassure with phrases like, it'll be fine. Try.
זה ילך.
It will work, and the classic.
יהיה בסדר.
Sprinkle them wisely. Confidence is half the magic. Final challenge story. Now stitch everything together in one breath. You're the hero of planning. I promise. I will go.
אלך.
Early. U-M-S-G, will go.
אתה תלך.
Grab seats. He will go.
הוא ילך.
For sunscreen, she will go.
היא תלך.
For water. It will work.
זה ילך.
Because we will go.
אנחנו נלך.
Together. You, plural, will go.
אתם תלכו.
Ahead to the bus, and they will go.
הם ילכו.
Straight to the shore. Nailed it. Thanks and next steps. High five. You moved your Hebrew into the future, literally. Thanks for listening to Synapse Lingo. Keep practicing these lines in real mini plans with friends, and loop back tomorrow to lock them in. For more lessons, printables, and games, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. See you next time.